हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गुनेश्वर कुलिता आपको मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल गुनेश्वर कुलिता ट्यूटोरियल पे स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले मैं आपको मेरे वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहने के लिए कहूँगा और साथों साथ वीडियो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करने के लिए कहूँगा, या कि जब मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा तब आप तक पहुँच जाएगा। स्टूडेंट्स, already I have uploaded 4 videos on voice, active and passive voice. So students, this is my 5th video, means part 5 of voice. तो ये मेरा voice का part 5 है, 5 नंबर वीडियो है। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग इस वीडियो अंत तक बने रहिएगा और अभी लेट मी स्टार्ट, मुझे आरंभ करने दीजिएगा। तो नंबर 5, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस। नंबर ए, रीटा वाज राइटिंग ए स्टोरी, एक्टिव वॉइस। इसमें रीटा सब्जेक्ट, वाज बी वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस, राइटिंग बेस वर्ब, मेन वर्ब राइट, आईएनजी इज एडेड, राइट वर्ब के बाद आईएनजी इसमें दिया गया है। देन ए स्टोरी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, इसमें ए स्टोरी ऑब्जेक्ट है। सो यदि हम इसको, इफ वी आर टू मेक दिस एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट ए स्टोरी बिकम सब्जेक्ट। सबसे पहले ए स्टोरी सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा, ए स्टोरी। देन एज इट वाज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, देन बी वर्ब का वाज, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में बी वर्ब का पहले वाज आ जाएगा। फर्स्ट वाज ऑफ द वर्ब बी, पास्ट टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब बी विल कम, सो ए स्टोरी वाज। देन बी becomes be, and for continuous form, for writing ing is added। राइटिंग के लिए ing आ जाएगा। बी वर्ब बी जैसे रहेगा, being। देन मेन वर्ब राइट, इनका past participle form, the past participle form of the verb right comes written। then will make the subject object using the preposition by। so once more I am telling, फिर से मैं अच्छा करके बोल रहा, a story was being written by Rita, passive voice। next, number B, I was buying vegetables, active voice। I subject, B was, be, buying verb plus ing, vegetables object। so vegetables ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट हो गया, आई के बाद वाज हुआ, इसलिए वेजिटेबल्स के बाद वेयर होगा। वेजिटेबल्स वेयर, बी वर्ब का बी, बाइंग का आईएनजी बाइंग, वेजिटेबल्स वेयर बीइंग, बाय का बी, बाय से बी वर्ब एंड आईएनजी बीइंग, वेजिटेबल्स वेयर बीइंग, वेजिटेबल्स वेयर बीइंग, बाय वर्ब का पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बॉट, देन preposition by, and I subject का object me। Vegetables were being bought by me। next, number C, he was driving the car very fast when it skid off the road, active। here students, first of all subject he, it will become object, we'll write it last। then object the car becomes first as subject, the car was as he was, then the car, after the car we will write be verb as was, the car was as driving ing, so being, then drive past participle driven, very fast by him. As he was subject, it became him. When it skirt off the road, the car was being driven very fast by him. When it skid off the road. Passive voice. Next, number D. Were you carrying all the required things? Were you carrying? तुम ले जा रहा था all the required things. सारा जरूरी चीज, सारा जरूरी सामान. So यू से पहले where आया. So ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा all the required things. ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड थिंग्स के बाद वेयर आएगा. सो इसको पहले लिखना हुआ है एज क्वेश्चन. एक क्वेश्चन है, इंटरगेटिव सेंटेंस है एक्टिव में. सो पैसिव में भी इंटरगेटिव जैसा हो जाएगा. वेयर ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड थिंग्स. सो ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट हो गया. वेयर ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड थिंग्स. देन बी वर्ब बीइंग एज कैरिंग इज हियर. सो बीइंग past participle of carried. Where all the required things being carried. You subject become object here by you. Passive voice. Now students, question number 2. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the past continuous tense. अभी past continuous tense जो verb विदिन ब्रैकेट दिया गया है, इसका पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में पैसिव करना है. खाली जगह फिलअप करके पैसिव बनाना है. सो द बैग वॉज बीइंग कैरिड बाय माई फ्रेंड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर बी. द बैग्स डैश एट द एयरपोर्ट check. Active voice. Passive voice. The bags were being checked at the airport. Number C. Food packets dash among the food victims. Distribute. Within bracket distribute. So the answer in passive voice is food packets were being distributed among the food victims. Now number D. The plants dash in the morning water. The answer is the plants were being watered in the morning. Now students, question number 2. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 1. Sima was eating guavas. Active voice. So in passive voice, guavas were being eaten by Sima. Passive voice. So student, Sima is the subject here. We make it object using preposition by. Then here guavas was object, so it becomes subject. So guavas were, सीमा के बाद was हुआ, so इसमें guavas के बाद were होगा. Guavas were be verb and ing form being. Guavas were being eaten by Sima. Next students, number 2. The family was watching a cricket match. Active voice. In passive voice, a cricket match object था, subject हो गया. Was being watched by the family. Passive voice. Next number 3. The old ladies were selling fruits and vegetables. Active voice. Passive voice. Fruits and vegetables were being sold by the old ladies. Number 4. Doctors were examining the patients. Active voice. Passive voice. The patients were being examined by doctors. Now students, number 5. The audience was laughing at the clown. Active voice. In passive voice, the clown was being laughed at by the audience. So students, the audience was laughing at the clown. So the clown was, after the audience was is used. So after the clown also, was is used. Clone is a person. Audience, here audience, the audience, a particular person. Who is the audience? The clown was being laughed at by the audience. Next, number 6, she was supporting the villagers during the discussion. Active voice. In passive voice, the villagers were being supported by her during the discussion. Next, number 7, was he writing the biography of Lata Mangeshkar? Active voice. In passive voice, was the biography of Lata Mangeshkar being written by him? Next, number 8, the teacher was demonstrating an experiment. Active voice. In passive voice, an experiment was being demonstrated by the teacher. Next, number 9. Next, number 9. Were you painting the door? Active voice. You is the subject, painting is the verb, the door is the object. So, as interrogative sentence, we'll write the words begin as interrogative sentences. So, here was is used. As before you, where is used. So, before the door, we'll use was. Door is singular number here. So, was the door being painted by you? Passive voice. So, students, thank you.